I don't blame you, okay? I know there's a lot of people out there, a lot of people want to play games, a lot of people want to do this and that, play he said, she said. I understand all that. I'm not, ignorant to that facet of humanity. It's a large part of what people like. Little drama games, little this and that, little he said, she said. All these little games people play. I don't play games. I'm a very straightforward individual. A real straight shooter you're dealing with here. Now listen, I'll tell it to you straight. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance for someone like you to get with someone like me. I'm good-looking, I'm intelligent, I'm attractive. I'm going places in life. I'm not gonna be stuck around here like some little piece of shit. I think what you need to do right now is quit playing the little games, quit playing the he said, she said, the little this and that games. Quit playing the drama games. Stop talking. Put your coat on. Get in my fucking car. Let me put my hands all over you. I hear every word that you're saying, but I don't think you hear, maybe you don't understand me completely. I'm offering you an opportunity. I'm handsome, I'm intelligent, I'm smart, I'm good looking, I'm attractive, I'm a celebrity. So I think what you need to do is stop with all the questions. Get in the fucking car and let me put my hands all over your body.